Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the world of beauty with a touch of expertise. Today, we're exploring a product that promises to bring your hair dreams to life. L'Oreal Paris Elvive Dream Lengths Shampoo and Conditioner Kit. This is a complete hair care system designed to restore, repair, and protect long hair. If you're looking to restore damage, seal split ends, and give your locks some serious shine, this set might be just what you need. L'Oreal's Dream Lengths line is specifically formulated for long hair that tends to show wear and tear. The shampoo and conditioner set work together to visibly repair damage without weighing down the hair. This is key, especially for long hair, which can often feel heavy or limp with the wrong products. The shampoo gently cleanses, and the conditioner provides detangling action, helping to reduce breakage during your daily routine. Both are enriched with ingredients like fine castor oil and vitamins B3 and B5, ingredients known for their nourishing properties. The real magic of this duo lies in its ability to maintain long hair's length while simultaneously strengthening it. For anyone with long hair, this is a balancing act between nourishing the strands and not adding excess weight that can leave hair looking flat. I noticed that after using both, my hair felt soft, smooth, and lightweight, with a noticeable reduction in tangling and breakage. But let's talk about the scent, because who doesn't want their hair to smell good, right? The formula features a sweet, floral, and fruity scent with a delightful mix of pomegranate, caramel orchid, and milk sorbet. It's not overpowering, but it definitely adds an extra layer of luxury to your hair care routine. Now let's get into real-world use. Incorporating these products into my routine was pretty easy. The shampoo lathered beautifully and left my scalp feeling refreshed without any residue. The conditioner was rich but not too heavy, and it rinsed out easily without leaving any greasy feeling behind. I used it daily for a week, and I could really see the benefits of the detangling formula. My hair felt more manageable, and there was a visible reduction in split ends. For someone like me, who has long hair that's prone to damage from styling tools, I appreciated how it kept my hair strong without compromising the length. When it comes to the pros, this set is definitely user-friendly. It works as advertised, strengthening the hair, preventing breakage, and adding shine, all while keeping hair light and full of body. However, one downside for me was the fragrance. It's pleasant, but if you're sensitive to scents, it might be a bit too much. As for value, I think the price is reasonable, given the quality of the ingredients and the results it delivers. L'Oreal Paris has created a product that feels luxurious without the luxury price tag. When compared to other high-end brands, this kit offers similar benefits at a fraction of the cost, making it a good value for anyone looking to care for long hair. While the product is certainly effective, if you're not sold on the price point, there are other drugstore brands that offer similar benefits. For example, products from Pantene's Repair and Protect line or the Garnier Fructis Grow Strong shampoo and conditioner might be worth exploring. However, if you're specifically after the nourishing benefits that castor oil and vitamins B3 and B5 provide, then Dream Lengths is a strong contender. In terms of build quality, both the shampoo and conditioner come in sturdy, easy-to-use bottles with a simple flip cap. They're not too bulky, so they fit easily into your shower routine. I've also noticed no signs of the product separating or deteriorating over time, which speaks to the brand's commitment to quality. As for customer service, I haven't personally needed to contact L'Oreal Paris for this product, but the brand has a strong reputation for handling customer queries efficiently and offering satisfaction guarantees, which adds an extra layer of trust. Now, as we wrap things up, does the L'Oreal Paris Elvive Dream Lengths Shampoo and Conditioner Kit live up to its claims? Yes. It's a solid, affordable option for anyone looking to care for their long hair and keep it looking healthy. While it may not work miracles for extremely damaged hair, it does help prevent further breakage and supports length retention. If this review helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Beautyistic, and ring the bell for more honest reviews like this one. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts.